Hey, what's up everyone? My channel is called All Things Adrienne because I literally want you to know everything about me. So I'm gonna bring you straight into my home and show you how to do red carpet makeup on a drugstore budget. This concealer is $9. To me, it's priceless. Now, everything in my world may look glam, but I'm all about making things look stylish and beautiful in an easy, accessible way. Guess what? These aren't real. We're gonna have some serious fun with fashion. High-low, people, high-low. And I've got simple, entertaining tips that you won't wanna miss. Our store-bought guac now looks like elevated Mexican cuisine. Cheers! I'll be telling crazy stories, revealing so many secrets. Where was our first kiss? I don't slow dance, I twerk. So if that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. I promise you I'm gonna show you all sorts of ways to turn up the glam in your life. Boom. Damn. Boom. Love, 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 love. My work here is done.